Welcome back, everyone. How are you all doing today? My name is David, and today we are finally back with the devlog. And it's going to be good because today is the first day where I'm literally just creating a new project right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to do our first big game in a while. So around last year, I created Polyacres, which is my first actual big game, I would call it. And so this year, we're going to take all the knowledge that I learned from making that game, and we're going to make a brand new island survival, building game. So, I'm just launching up Unity for the first time here in, probably a couple months. And it's pretty exciting because I haven't been able to work on a game in quite some time, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to take all of what we've learned from the Snowball game and the Arctic game and different stuff, so that we'll be able to make a great, the best game I can make in Unity here. So the concept of this game is going to be pretty simple because ideas are not easy to come by. And so basically what it's going to be is you're going to be hopefully this is the plan. Multiplayer, first person, low poly island survival game where you have to never leave the island, but based on the resources on and around the island, you have to survive and build up your base. And yeah, that's basically the plan. So I guess let's get started. So usually the first thing I like to do when I get started in my video games is just plan out everything that I like, my idea for the video game. So I just go through and think about what I want in the end, and then I usually generally like to get started with some basic models. So this is a character model I had from before that I think I'll probably recycle for this project as well. Okay, so now I just finished this character. I think he's looking like how I want him to look. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him into the game and make some scenery for the island, and then I'll start working on the multiplayer mechanics. Alright, so it is now day 2 of the game, and I just fully finished the basic multiplayer functionality. And as you can see here, I've got 2 characters, and if I take one and move it around, you can see he moves on the other screen. And basic animation syncing, and head rotation, and just basic player movement, and that's already implemented into the game, so looking good.
Okay, so it's now 10 o'clock at night, so I gotta whisper, but I just finished the basic inventory system, but the syncing across these servers isn't working right now, so the code is being a little bit funny, but there are fully functional collectible items synced on the server. They don't come up in your inventory yet. I was just playing out what the inventory is going to look like.
Alright, so it is now Wednesday evening, and I just finished the modeling work for this brand new oak tree that I just implemented to the game, along with a little bit more new UI, and I think I came up with a really new cool concept for the inventory system. So here's what that tree looks like in the game. And there we have one more tree fully finished now. I just finished modeling the birch tree, and here's what it looks like next to the oak tree in the game. Not too bad. Alright, so I've just been working on some color grading and lighting in the game, and it goes from something that looks a little bit like this to like this. So when you put the game, the whole thing looks a little bit nicer and higher quality now, and you can tell just by wandering around here, the whole game looks more professional and nicer, so that once we actually get some more assets imported, I think it will look a lot nicer and prettier. So, yeah. Alright, so that is all for the devlog for week 1. We just finished multiplayer functionality, we put in some models, we did some lighting, we did some inventory stuff, we did some collectibles, and yeah. I think next week is going to be pretty good. I'll move on to some more character models and some multiplayer networking stuff, and it should be good. Thanks for watching.